Get those Chinese windows and paint them black then. To get the windows cheap enough. You got the screws?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, is it? I thought the arrow was...
Oh, you got the arrow. See, I put the arrow facing. See, it says... climb from this. I thought that meant towards the house. Okay. Alright. That makes sense. Dude, I tell you what, that was slippery. That underlayment, when I was up there, my foot kept sliding. And then it was dirty up there by that window. Oh my God. I was using that rope big time.
I told you.
That rope saved my ass a bunch of times. That was kind of a pain in the butt. Trying to nail in the sliding. Not one. No, let's hold it. Go to the better rope. No, if you go every single slot, that's almost safe for rain. Good those eventually. Right. Cool. I can slide that one. Yeah. I believe. Let me hand up here. Oh, yeah. I should. Come on. Pretty good. Way better than yourself. Way better. I don't know, maybe that good trick. No, slide help. I was like, sweet. I don't know if you can look. I was like, whoa, that was dirty. All right. See, I know. I'm looking at it. You can hit the second level. Yeah. Look and see what's real. Oh, yeah. You can slide the real one. You can system. Not fun. You can like this. I don't know if you take soldier shoes that they have. He goes. He had to get those expensive. If they don't work though, rather than gel kind of and sticks. That would be cool. That might be worth it. They have to wear those. It's tiny and sticky shoes. That's what you need. Oh, I don't think it is. Let's say you find the word on the scene, right? This is upstairs. Yeah, right? I can do this outside. You like a patent, like a something move. It's not really a stick. You might have to choose. Keep it over it might be good. Yeah, I put it down. It might work. Maybe it's not down. Let's see. Yep, that was my secret. That would be cool. Oh man. Oh man. Oh shit. You have to go over that though. What you did, did you know that? No. Yes it would. This is another case. This is exactly how I know. Cool. It's not right. This is bad, but it's worse. Right down there, boy. This is so bad. I think about that, right? It's like we're taking these kids, but I'm pretty out. That's how bad they are. We're like, fuck it. We're like, it's all these kids. Fuck themselves. That's the same. Yeah, that's all. All right, let me go.
Couple more panels.
4 more.
Yep. Something like that.
Cool.
Pick one up. Okay. Yeah.
All right, Westfall. Take it away. Cool.
We got exactly one panel left. I measured that good.
Yeah, one left.
All right, so that's pretty much all we're gonna do for today. We're waiting on some more materials for the roofing project. We got one panel we gotta put in there, but we gotta cut it. So we'll do that another day. That's it for today. How do you like your roof, Tom?
I like it. Way better than it was before, I'll tell you that. Beautiful. Looking good.
See what this looks like with this deck. Looking pretty good. Yeah.